Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this gorgeous plump halo cut crease eye look. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be using my Perception palette from the Shayla X Colourpop collection. I'm starting off with the shadow called Revenge. And with this shadow, basically you want to start warming up your crease. And I am doing so with a very fluffy blending brush and dragging this shade all along my crease. And I really like this shadow because you can honestly build it up to the intensity that you prefer. I like to start with smaller amounts and slowly add more of that shadow to bring it up to the intensity that I want. Now going with the shade Played Out, I'm going to start creating the halo effect. And since this eyeshadow is definitely more warm, more rich than the first one, this is what's going to create more definition. So I'm slowly blending this second eyeshadow into the first one. Now we're going to cut the crease, as to me, there's not really a halo eye look without cutting the crease. As I've said it a million times, using the concealer is definitely going to help intensify the eyeshadow that you put in the center of the lid. Next, I'll be using the shadow called September, this beautiful purple eyeshadow, which I like to start using with my finger directly, just because I like to get the most pigmentation out of the eyeshadow. Then, as soon as I start working on the crease line, I do switch to a flat shader brush as I want to be as precise as possible. Oh, and just a side note, I did not set the concealer that I used to cut the crease. Next, you want to grab your blending brush and very carefully blend out the edges where you have the line dividing the purple and the darker chocolate colors. Next, I'm going to create a wing liner with a flat angled brush and the shadow called Shade. As you can see here, I start in the middle or center of the lid and then I slowly bring it out, and this shadow is basically just gonna blend into the corner or outer part of the eye. Now to finish up the lower lash line, I'm using both shadows Revenge and Played Out, and basically I start first applying it very close to the lash line and then I just blend it out with a fluffy pencil brush. Now off camera, I apply some of my favorite iconic lashes, and very important, you want to use a black liner to fill in your waterline and also tight line if necessary, and you want to also use mascara on the lower lash line. As always, I like to use waterproof just in case. I find that when I use waterproof mascara, it prevents my mascara from smudging. And we're skipping the face makeup because you have seen me do that a few times. So to complete the lips, I'm using this liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Venus. And that's it. I really hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!